Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. Well, we're in Palu, as you'd know if you've watched the last video, central Sulawesi, and I'm just heading to the Palu office now to try and book my ticket to Balikpapan on Kalimantan, Borneo. Whoa, I haven't slept, guys. 22 hours on the bus, finding a hotel. I'm wrecked. Crap. The next boat isn't until next Friday. It's Thursday today, so that's 8 days I'd have to, and there's things I could go and visit in Sulawesi, but then once I take the 24 hours on the boat, that'd give me 14 days to get to Cebu in Malaysian Borneo, and that's just not possible. I think I'm going to have to break the rule and fly, guys. I can fly on Saturday morning, so in 2 days. I think that's what I'm going to have to do. I'm going to go upstairs and discuss it with Janet. I'm going to ring her up, discuss it with her, but I think I am going to have to break the rule. And it's kind of, it is breaking the rule, but it is possible to get the boat from here. I've found out about the boat and everything, so it's kind of not breaking the rule at the same time. But anyway, I'm really disappointed. Well, I'm eating my sorrows away, guys. I've booked the plane ticket. I'm really, it's just life. I'm not really disappointed, but the whole idea was to do this without a flight, and now I've got to fly, but that's life. And there's no way I could wait 8 days. I would never have got to my, I've got to fly out of Cebu in southern Malaysian Borneo on the 1st of October to get a specialist to look at my neck, and I have been having a bit of trouble with my neck lately, so I can't miss that appointment. Yeah, guys, I just can't afford to wait 8 days, but that's life. I've got 2 days in this beautiful hotel, amazing food, and I keep leaving to go and do stuff and saying, oh, I've just got to go and do this, I'll be back in a minute. And here's the lovely lady. She gave me a big discount on the room, and now she's just printed my plane ticket. Thank you very much. And this is for my YouTube, so say hello. Can you take your face off so we can see?
Thank you.
The breakfast here, guys, just unbelievable. Even better than Mataram. Just so much to choose from. All of it's delicious. And yesterday I started breakfast at about 7:30, then I left and came back and left and came back. I finished at 10:30, so not many places will let you leave and come back. Usually when I'm staying somewhere like this, they have a breakfast buffet. I just sit down, eat a plate of food and leave. But for some reason this is just a really relaxing attitude. I've been here over an hour. Around an hour, and I don't feel like leaving yet. I'm going to have another coffee, another orange juice, maybe eat some more food, but I don't know where it's going to fit. I've eaten so much food. Well, nobody's got a motorbike they want to rent, so I'm just walking around. There's really not much to show here, so I don't know if I'll be filming much today. I'm just going to wander around like I do, get lost in the bush. Lost in the city, I mean. If there is anything to show, I will show. Oh guys, I had satay for dinner last night. While I was eating it, I got a chewy bit, and when I took it out of my mouth, it was raw. So I've been waiting for this since then. Oh, I was about 5 k's from the hotel when it just stomach cramps, and I could have got a motor taxi back, but I was a bit worried that bouncing around would cause an accident. And I'm about 50 metres from the front door of my hotel. I've just got to make it into the lift and into my room. But I can tell you guys, for the first time in my life, street food has got me. Oh my God. I can see the front door, and that's my body saying, let go, let go. Oh, well, is the rooftop restaurant, doesn't look too open. I'm hungry. So yeah, that was just a one-off. Once it was out of me, I was fine. I keep expecting to get really crook because I've never been sick, and I see people like Backpacker Ben and other people that get really sick eating street food. And you know, for you guys that have been to South America, Peru and Bolivia especially, you'll walk past these old ladies that have got a whole pig just hanging from a tree, and they slice off little bits of meat, and there's flies buzzing around and everything. Chicharron, it's just delicious. They cook up the meat in pig fat. And I used to get into a town and I'd have one little packet from each of them, and whoever was the best, she's the one I'd eat at the whole time I was in that town. And I've never been sick. I've been very lucky, touch wood, but I keep expecting it to happen, especially yesterday when I had that chewy bit of chicken. When I pulled it out of my mouth, it was completely raw. So I was expecting to be sick. Oh, it is open. Maybe I can eat here. Anyway, I'm gonna let you guys go, have a look at a menu. This is the same view as from my room, but I'm 4 levels higher. 11, my room's on 7. That's the bay out there. I should be heading out there in the bay, turning east, heading towards Balikpapan, but that can't happen, guys. And the more I'm thinking about it, I'm not really failing because I am leaving where the boats would leave from, and I'm flying to where the boat would arrive. And guys, I can't be waiting 8 days. So as much as I was feeling like a failure yesterday, I'm starting to accept it now. Isn't this just beautiful, guys? Look at these mountains. Hopefully we'll get the sunset while I'm eating. Just beautiful. Now off to the airport. Still, I'm excited because I love to fly. I'm just feeling bad that this wasn't meant to happen, but that's life, can't be helped. You guys will be sick of hearing how disappointed I am in myself right now, but that's life. Anyway, I'll get back to you at the airport. And this is Palu Airport. That was an easy check-in, really. My bags had to go through 2 x-ray machines, but that's all right. Took me about 10 minutes to get from the front door to sitting down here, so that was really easy. Really not much else to talk about. I do feel, I won't say it again, the failure word, but I am excited to fly. You get on that magic box, and when you get off, you're somewhere completely different. Yeehaw. Well, I did it, guys. In Kalimantan, Borneo. Just waiting for my bags. I've got another Luxury Escapes hotel booked. Still got quite a bit of credit left with them, but I've got this hotel booked for the next 2 nights, and then it's off to explore Kalimantan, Borneo. My first view of Borneo, guys. This is my taxi driver, Sahabadan, and he's taken me to the hotel. I'm staying at the hotel, which I wouldn't be paying to stay there, but thanks to Luxury Escapes with all the credit that I've got. I'll show you a bit more once I'm booked in. This is where I'm staying, the Novotel, thanks to my Luxury Escapes credit. It would have been an amazing hotel in its day, but it's getting a bit old, but it's still nothing wrong with it. It's just got some very old style, like from the 70s and 80s, but beautiful. I'll let you know in the morning what breakfast's like. I don't know if that'll be in this video or the next one. We'll see how we go this afternoon. But, I'm just going for a little bit of a wander around Balikpapan, and the good part of this is we're right in the south of town. So, hello! And so I'll be able to get south from here quite easily. I'm going to try and hitchhike most of Borneo, but if I catch buses, I catch buses. There's my hotel up in the background there, and this little park, that's my hotel right there. So this park's sort of right on the corner of my street. Beautiful, lovely spot to come and have a relax later. Oh, there's people sleeping over there. Oh well. Going to be poor people everywhere you go though, guys. This town really was something in its day, I think. But that was a few years ago. I'm thinking by the look of things. I seem to have stumbled onto the jewellery street. Jewellery shops everywhere and phone shops. Oh guys, I'm really excited to be in Borneo. And now we found the waterfront. These young kids flying kites. He just flew it into the power pole though, and but he managed to get it out, the power lines. There's all sorts of restaurants along here. We might come and find some dinner here later. But I'll show you around town properly later. Tomorrow when I've got a motorbike. Today I'm still feeling a bit lazy. It was a bit of a travel day. I'm enjoying wandering around, seeing all the Borneanos, Kalimantanans, whatever they might be called. Yeah, a bunch of kids begging. At least they take no for an answer. Some places they'll just follow you down the road. Hello! How are you? Okay, let's go in and have a look what a Borneo mall looks like. Look at this, guys. And there's people everywhere here, so there must be more money here than there was on Lombok. Remember I went into the mall in Lombok, there was nothing. But there's people everywhere here, girls waving. Oh guys, this is quite a surprise. I'm sure in its day, there was a lot of money in Borneo, but you can see this is the same as my hotel. Everything's starting to fall apart a bit. Just amazing, guys. I'm going to go in and look for more in the supermarket. It's nice and cool in there. This is my breakfast today, just delicious. And my plans were today to rent a motorbike and show you guys around Balikpapan, but look at that. Not motorbike weather, not anything weather today. So unless this clears up, I won't be doing anything today. But the thunder and lightning are coming at pretty much the same time, which means the storm's right overhead. So hopefully in half an hour or so it might clear up, but that's just my wishful thinking. But I'm going to eat more of this delicious breakfast. And look guys, I've even got a piano man entertaining me for breakfast. The view from my room. It does seem the rain stopped. I might be able to get out and do some stuff, but we will see. I don't know if you can see it here. It was really a lot more clearer before, but there's a line running around there where the water's completely different. Two different completely coloured waters. I don't know what's going on. Maybe there's an outlet there or something that's pumping muddy water into the ocean. But anyway guys, this is the room. Mess on the bed, or Paul's disorder as Janet would call it. Here's the bathroom. Like I said, it's really 70s style, but it's all right. Great shower guys, amazing shower. So I'm going to finish the video here. So if you haven't subscribed yet guys, hit that mad dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.